losing hours of game progress because you had to reset your console and didn't have a backup of the data, and game saves is the worst nightmare. And PlayStation Plus has got you covered with their cloud backup and auto sync feature. So let me show you how you can upload and sync your game data and save files to PlayStation Cloud and restore them anytime you want on any console. As I've said it before, this is a PlayStation Plus exclusive feature. So first we'll check if we have our PlayStation Plus subscription active. Just go to PlayStation Plus and then from the top go all the way to More, and from here you can easily see that we have our subscription enabled. So now to sync our game data and save files, we need to go to Settings. From there we will go down until we find Saved Data and Game/App Settings. And at the right side of the first option, you'll see three options: Upload or Delete, Download or Delete, and Sync Saved Data. So to start uploading our game saves, we'll select the first option. And as you can see, we can either upload to cloud storage and delete. And to upload it, we need a PlayStation Plus subscription. Down here, you can see the game saves that we have. So you can select the game saves you want to upload manually, or you can select all. And after you have selected them, go to the right and select Upload. Now, if you have autosync enabled, which is enabled by default, you'll see a warning that it will turn off autosync for the game. So if you want to proceed, just select Apply to All and then go to Yes. Then you will get another warning that will ask you if you want to override your cloud storage save. But because we have the latest game save, we'll go with Yes. Select Apply to All so you don't have to go through the same prompt again. Now, if you have any games running in the background that you're trying to upload, it will close, so make sure you have saved your progress and then hit Yes. Then the upload will start and it shouldn't take long. When it's complete, it will return to the same page and our save files has been successfully added to the cloud. Now that we have uploaded all our game data and save files, say if you have reset your console or you have switched to a new one, you can just come here, go to the second option called Download or Delete, and from the Download tab, just select the games you want to restore the save files for and then go to Download. You'll get another warning, and this time it will ask you if you want to override your console data. So if you have the latest save files, just select Apply to All and then hit Yes. And just like that, we have downloaded the latest game files from the cloud. Now if we go back, there's a third option called Sync Save Data. If we open it, from here we can turn on autosync. And you can also view the games that you have disabled the autosync for. So if you don't want to do it manually, just check all the games and your game data will be synced to the cloud automatically. And you can also view the sync status from here too. If you see an error that says can't check sync status, just make sure that you close the game and it will sync automatically. And that's how you can backup, sync and restore your PS5 game data and save files using PS Plus. Make sure to leave your feedback down below and happy gaming.